Nigerians, congratulations to me. I don't finally see the replacement of Rema and Wizkid. You know understand? When these boys they come down sing for me, I say if I not use my last card to invest on them, then you say shame on me. You know understand? Now, let the camera come. This guy
is your boy Legit.
Okay, what do you mean?
Legit. Yeah.
Legit.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Fair play the beat before you drop the song for them. Increase that. Legends on the beats. Gege. Okwe. Gege.
I'm a trillionaire.
Hey!
I'm a billionaire. I'm a Tanzania. Yeah. I'm a trillionaire. I'm a Tanzania. I'm a billionaire. Yeah. Gege. Legit. Boy, for this one. My bank account grows every day. I'm rich.
Hey guys, you know I don't see the performance of this guy. Make I be honest with you. The kind of money within my hand, I not get enough money to sign the two of them once. So now I beg between this guy and this guy, who you want make a sign to play record because this guy was sing now. You know that stuff. So play this guy on. So you go understand between the two of them who are go sign to a record. Oh yeah, play, let's go. Make this guy perform.
I got Jesus by my side. He's my savior, Lord and Christ. Just my God, you know the light. Immortal, you know the time. All I do, I lift him high. Shining brighter than the sky. That's his holy man, right? And I always let it die. A nigga's ready to fly. We be shining just like Jasper. Haters shouldn't see me cry. But I be chilling with him, master. He no gon' never let me crash. No professional crossbar. They love my shit and my bounce. I go in my car, me still my announcer. I lift up my eyes to the hill with my head, but he named Jehovah Elohim. Forever the same, I keep it calling him. No matter the matter, me, I follow him. Yes, he be taking care of me. He's the better one for me. He's for me. He be standing in front of me. And daily, his blessings doesn't follow me. God of authority, able to come to infinity. King of the Trinity, nobody reach your ability. Divinity, God over everything. Rock up pages come clear for me. I don't say, won't clear for me. Pretty things, everything for me. I ran to heaven, he be waiting for me. I stand strong with the most side. I feel nice and I feel fly. Sometimes it happens in challenge, but we be chilling on the left side. He's never giving up on me. He never leave me for the wrong side. Eyes on my wrist, eyes on my neck, because I'm the apple of God's eye. I got Jesus on my side. He's my savior, Lord and friend.
Okay. Hold up. What be your stage name?
Sammy guy. Sammy guy.
This song when you sing na worldly song, I've been a gospel song. Got hear Jesus, got me something like that.
My gospel song.
Okay, na gospel song.
Okay, na hip hop, sure.
Okay, hip hop for Jesus. Okay, so make I side this guy to Puerto Rico because what is Jesus and Puerto Rico? I don't know whether the two things work. So let me know in the comment section between this guy and this guy. Sammy what?
Sammy guy.
And what?
Legit.
Between Legit and Sammy boy, who are go sign? Say it on the comment section. God bless you.